The fascinating world of bone china. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a term that combines history, art, and even a little science: bone china. Whether you're a tea aficionado, a fine dining enthusiast, or just curious about this elegant material, you've come to the right place. Get ready to learn about what bone china is, how it's made, and why it holds such a special place in dining and tea culture around the world. Bone china is a type of porcelain that is composed of bone ash, feldspathic material, and kaolin. It was developed in England in the late 18th century and is known for its high levels of whiteness and translucency, and its incredibly high mechanical strength despite its delicate appearance. But what really sets bone china apart is its primary ingredient: bone ash. This is exactly what it sounds like: the ash of calcined animal bones, typically cow bones. The bone ash content in bone china is usually around 30 to 45%. This unique component gives bone china its characteristic whiteness and translucency. The process of creating bone china begins with the calcination of animal bones. After calcination, the bones are ground into a fine powder and mixed with water to form the bone ash. The ash is then combined with other materials like kaolin clay and feldspar. The mixture is shaped into the desired forms and then fired at a high temperature. Unlike regular porcelain, bone china undergoes two firing processes: a bisque firing followed by a glaze firing. The first firing happens at a lower temperature, which makes the material hard and white. The second firing, after the application of a liquid glaze, vitrifies the pottery, making it shiny and glass-like. Bone china is not just a marker of sophistication. It is also a practical choice for many reasons. Its durability means it is less likely to chip compared to other types of porcelain. Moreover, its elegance is unmatched. The material has a warm, inviting glow and a surface that's pleasing to touch. Collectors and enthusiasts prize bone china for its quality and aesthetic appeal, often featuring intricate hand-painted designs and gilding. In the world of tea and dining, bone china tea sets and plates signify a high standard and are a staple in fine dining establishments and households that value tradition and quality. Maintaining the beauty of bone china is an art in itself. It should be handled with care, washed gently by hand rather than in the dishwasher, and not subjected to sudden changes in temperature. With proper care, bone china items can last generations, often becoming cherished family heirlooms. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of bone china and its timeless allure. From its rich historical roots to its presence in modern-day tea parties and dinner tables, bone china continues to be a symbol of elegance and fine craftsmanship. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has enriched your appreciation for one of the finer things in life. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.